Hey, Jerry Hawk 250 here. Just a little quick video on my Lifan KPX 250. I was trying to do a video on installing my bark busters, but it was raining a little earlier. So I was stuck inside my shed doing it. Didn't have much room. But here's what they look like after. Blend in real good. I'll put a link in the description on where I got them from. It was off of Amazon. Pretty simple install. The only thing I had a little issue with, they had some bar end weights. Let's see if I can find those. These screwed into the end of the handlebars. And of course, they had Loctite on them, so I'd use an impact to back them out. But besides that, the fittings fit perfect in there, good and tight. It does not move at all. I mean, it's stout. I'm pretty impressed. But anyhow, yeah, just want to take a quick little video to show what they look like mounted. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out Venom Motorsport USA. Use the discount code JerryHawk250 and get extra $50 off. Please like and share.